probably look crazy right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are reviewing the Fifine K690. This is a robust microphone, I'll tell you that. This is the biggest USB microphone I've reviewed so far on this channel. I've obviously reviewed some microphones from Fifine, whatever you want to call them. But this microphone is different. This microphone sells around $90. It does not come with an arm or a boom arm or a windscreen or any of that. But this microphone has a lot of features to offer that other microphones don't have. For example, on the front right here, you have a button that you can mute the microphone. Right under it right here, you have a controller for the headphones sensitivity. So on the bottom right here, you can plug in a playback headphones and you can listen to the audio recording. So this is an incredible options for recording when you're singing or music. So if you want to listen to your guitar while you're recording, this is a great microphone for that. So you have a knob for controlling the headphones in the front here, and in the back you have two more knobs. The knob at the top right here is going to control the mic sensitivity. So how much gain does the mic actually picking? What does it sound like? And obviously in my scenario, I always keep the microphone at 50%. The last thing that this microphone offers that other microphones don't offer is that it has 4 different patterns. It has a cardioid pattern, an omni pattern, a bidirectional pattern, and a stereo pickup pattern. And all these patterns are obviously going to sound different. And this is what makes this microphone a little bit different than other microphones. Alright guys, so right now you are listening to me through the Fifine K690. I do not have any filters on it right now in OBS. It is set to 85% in Windows settings. The microphone knob on the microphone is set to 50%, which is the middle section. We're going to be testing 4 different things. Test number 1 is audio test on each pattern differently. Test number 2 is noise pickup, and test number 3 is keyboard test. Those are usually the 3 tests that I test when I test a microphone. I just said test like 69 times. What had just happened? I usually test those 3 things on the microphone because those are the 3 things that I truly care about when I'm gaming or when I'm streaming, and that's what I do. Why am I making a lot of eye movements? Pattern number 1 is the cardioid one, which is the one you've been listening to me on. I hope it sounds good. I have no idea what this microphone sounds like. I have not listened to any of the audio I recorded. Pattern number 2 is the omni pattern, which is a circular one. So if you're sitting in group settings, that's the one to do it. Obviously, you can see that it is going to be picking up my audio from everywhere. Pattern number 3 is the bidirectional, which is basically this, right? So if you're speaking straight through it from here, or you're reviewing somebody that's sitting in the behind you, it's a great scenario for that. Pattern number 4 getting tested is going to be the stereo pickup. This is the stereo pickup pattern. How does it sound? I do not know. I'm assuming a stereo pickup is going to be probably a little bit more reverby, or more like standard recording. I hope it all sounds good. I will be listening to all this audio here in a second, reviewing it. But yeah, that was it. I'm going to actually just go back to the whatever, how do you say that? Cardioid. Test number 2 is going to be a noise test. So noise test going on the K690 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, silence. Test number 3 on the K690 is going to be a keyboard test. This is a pretty loud keyboard. It's a blue switch 60% or 61% keyboard. Test number 3 on the K690 keyboard in front, going in 1, 2, 3. Testing the keyboard behind the microphone, going in 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go ahead, listen to the audio on my computer and review it, and I'll be right back. Well, I just listened to the audio of this microphone, and I'm really impressed, to be honest. I'm gonna say that this microphone is actually worth buying because it sounds really, really clear. Personally, I really liked the stereo pattern the best. The other patterns are cool and neat, but I don't think a person like me would use that. Other people might use that and find that very functional. I found that the stereo pattern was the pattern that most actually was accurate to my real voice in real life, and that's why that's the pattern I would go with when using this microphone. I do think for how many features this microphone offers, it's totally worth it because you can control the mic level and the headphones level and have 4 different patterns and a mute button right on set right there. And the microphone quality is really, really high. Like, it feels very, very heavy. It's all metal. The base is metal. The microphone itself is metal. The cable you're getting with it is very nice quality. All of those things considered, this microphone is a great option. That was the Fifine K690. It's an incredible microphone overall. Highly recommended. If you guys are interested in buying this microphone, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll answer all the questions. If you haven't left a like yet, make sure to hit that like button. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye.